Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a straightforward guide on how to send Avalanche, that's AVAX, the popular cryptocurrency, from Gemini to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just move assets around, this step-by-step tutorial will make it easy and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Gemini and Uphold. If you haven't already, download the apps or log in via their websites. Now, start by opening your Gemini account. Head over to your dashboard and locate your Avalanche wallet. Gemini makes this simple. Just search for AVAX in your asset list. Next, you'll need to get your Uphold wallet address. Log into Uphold, go to your AVAX wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: double-check that you're copying the correct network, like the Avalanche C-chain, to avoid any transaction errors. Crypto transfers can be irreversible, so accuracy is key. Back in Gemini, navigate to the withdrawal section for your AVAX holdings. Enter the Uphold wallet address you just copied, and specify the amount you want to send. Don't forget to review the network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion, especially in 2025 with more users on the network. Once everything looks good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt, so take a second to verify the details. After that, sit tight. The transfer might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the Avalanche network's speed. Finally, once it's done, hop back into Uphold and check your AVAX balance to ensure everything arrived safely. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, reach out to Gemini or Uphold support. They're usually quick to help. There you have it, folks. Sending Avalanche from Gemini to Uphold doesn't have to be complicated. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.